Day 3 was the race day where we had the chance to participate in a small regatta close to Cesme. Ida gave us the chance to participate in this race, and together with 2 friends of her, we had a solid racing crew of 5 people. We didn't catch the best start, but soon we could recover and really enter the race. We sailed hard and well, but a couple of errors put us behind, and so the leading pack gained more and more space to us. After 1 hour and 48 minutes and just 20 minutes after the first place, we made it to goal. And just before we came back to the harbor, we found out that we have a problem with the gear shift, and we had to get pulled into the harbor by little boats. In this last shot, you can see us still cooking for dinner while Dwayne is repairing the gearing till deep into the night.